Good morning, dear students. Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Alhamdulillah. I am Muhammad Zakaria Khan. I have been working as an assistant teacher of English at St. Xavier School. Dear learners, today I am presented here to conduct a class for class 6. I think that you all are ready with your papers and notebooks. Okay, dear students, let's go to start our class. Before starting my online class, I would like to mention one thing, that you have submitted your assignment, first assignment, and I have got the assignment. So I want to mention that how to write your assignment. I want to discuss about it. For a better understanding, I am using Bangla. Dear students, প্রথমে তোমরা যে অ্যাসাইনমেন্টটা পেয়েছো সেটা লিখবা। আমরা যে ফ্রন্ট পেজটা দিয়েছি সেটা ফার্স্ট অ্যাড করবা। ওখানে যে তোমার রোল, সেকশন, বিভাগ এগুলো সব লিখবা। তারপর ওটা ফ্রন্ট পেজে দিয়ে A4 সাইজের কাগজ দিয়ে জাস্ট ফার্স্ট পেজটাই লিখবা। যে টপিক দেয়া আছে ওই টপিক দিয়ে ফার্স্ট পেজটাই লিখবা। ওকে ওকে ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্টস, নাও let's go to class, start our class today's session. Welcome to online class. This is my identity. I have already given you. Today we are going to discuss for class 6 unit 1 lesson 14. Okay, look at the picture, the students. Do you know them? Who are they? Yes, you are right. Firstly, we have seen that Muhyiddin Jahangir, Mutiur Rahman, Ruhul Amin, Munshi Abdul Rauf, Nur Muhammad Sheikh, Muhammad Mustafa Kamal, Muhammad Hamidur Rahman. Who are they? Yes, they are the best heroic son of our country, because they have laid down their most valuable life for the cause of our independence. They are freedom fighters, Bir Shreshto, and they are our pride. They have got the designation Bir Shreshto because they have sacrificed their life. That's why they are Bir Shreshto and they are our pride. We feel proud for them. Okay. So listen declaration. Today we are going to discuss our pride. Our pride. Learning outcomes. After completing these lessons, students will be able to read and understand text, ask and answer the questions, write short paragraph, participate in short dialogues and conversation on familiar topic. Okay, now we will see a video. Okay. Okay, dear students, you have enjoyed two videos. What are they doing? In the first video, you have seen our national anthems. Some people, they are singing our national anthems to celebrate our Independence Day, our Victory Day. In our special day, glorious day, we have celebrated by singing this our national anthems. Okay, what are they doing? They are read to the national memorial. Okay, they are celebrating our Victory Day. They are celebrating our Victory Day. Okay. Go to section A and listen the passage alternative attentively. Then go to section A and solve the task. Dear students, you have to match the words from their meaning from A to B. Okay, you have to match. Unforgettable. What is the meaning of unforgettable? Unforgettable, that means memorable. যেটা ভোলার নয়, অর্থাৎ যেটা মেমোরিতে থেকে যায়। Unforgettable, ভোলার নয়। Unforgettable, it will be memorable. Independence, that is freedom. Yes, you are right. Independence, স্বাধীনতা, that is freedom. Celebrate, make famous or party. Celebrate, that means make famous. Okay? Dear students, you have to write these things in your notebook. Okay, please, you will write. Swift, that means falling on. Swift, that means falling on. Revolt, revelation. Revolt, revelation. Martyrs, it will be sacrificial victim. Martyrs, that is sacrificial victim. Okay, I think that you have written these things in your, this vocabularies in your notebook. Martyrs, that means sacrificial victim. Okay, okay, now we will go to next. Look at the picture. Do you know him? Yes, you are right. He is Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. He is the father of the nation. Why he is famous for? Because he is the father of the nation of Bangladesh. Okay? And he also declared the independence of Bangladesh. This is Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, who declared the independence of Bangladesh. Presentation, our pride. You know that our today's our session is our pride. Look at the pictures. What have you seen in the picture? Yes, this is our Independence Day. I mean, now 26 March is our Independence Day, which we celebrated annually with pride and joy. 26 March is our Independence Day and we celebrated this day annually with pride and joy. Okay? Present presentation, our sorrows and gift. Dear students, you know that we have achieved our Independence Day in 1971. But how we have gained our Independence Day or our freedom? Do you know? Yes, we have got our freedoms by the sacrifice of a lot of people of our country. What have you seen in the picture? This is March is also a month of sad memories for us. March month is also a month of sad memories for us. Won the 25th March in 1971. Won the 25 March 1971 in the darkness of the night. In the darkness of the night, the Pakistani army swept down upon and killed many unarmed men, women and children in Dhaka. Okay? 1971 সালের 25শে মার্চ রাতে পাকিস্তানি আর্মি বাংলাদেশের নিরস্ত্র নিরীহ মানুষের উপর এক নির্মম অত্যাচার চালায় এবং তারা আমাদের যেসব বীর সন্তান ছিল তাদেরকে বিনা কারণে হত্যা করে 1971 সালের 25শে মার্চ। এবং সেই 25শে মার্চের ভোর প্রহরে আমাদের জাতির জনক বঙ্গবন্ধু শেখ মুজিবুর রহমান বাংলাদেশের স্বাধীনতা ঘোষণা করে। Okay, dear students, why March month is famous for us? March month is also famous and our sorrows and grief both, because in this month our Independence Day was declared. On the contrary, this is our sorrows and grief because a lot of people of Bangladesh are killed by the Pakistani army. Okay, March is also a month of sad memories for us. On 25 March 1971, in the darkness of the night, the Pakistani army swept down upon and killed many unarmed men, women and children in Dhaka. Okay. Our pride. Look at the pictures. All pictures are related to our Independence Day. Okay. However, the Bengalis soon raised in heroic revolt and war of liberation began. When the Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman declared the independence of Bangladesh, that time the heroic son of Bangladesh, they all took part in our liberation war. Okay. However, the Bengalis soon raised in heroic revolt and war of liberation began. Okay. Vocabulary test. This is vocabulary. Dear students, you must write this vocabulary in your notebook. Okay. Victory Day. Try to make sentence with the following words. Victory, that means Bijoy. December 16 is our victory day. 16 December is our victory day. So, victory, that means surrender. Victory, that means surrender. Victory. Surrender, victory, Bijoy, surrender মানে আত্মসমর্পণ করা। 126 December 71, the Pakistani army surrendered unconditionally. Pakistani army surrendered unconditionally. Okay. War, Juddho. We achieved our freedom after a war. We achieved our freedom after a war. Martyrs, Shahid. Martyrs, Shahid. We should pay our deep respect to the martyrs. We should pay our deep respect to the martyrs. This is pair work. Since dear student, since you are staying at home alone, so no need to perform the pair works. You have to do it individually. Okay. This is your individual work. Read and the text again, then ask and answer with your partners. Why 25 Mars is often called the dark night. You have to do it individually. Why 25 Mars is often called the dark night. Okay. And this is individual work. Look at the above pictures and write a few sentences about our liberation war. Look at the above pictures. Just look at the above picture and write a few sentences about our liberation war. Okay? This is your homework. Now take an interview from a freedom fighter. You will take a interview from a freedom fighter of your locality about our liberation war, since you are staying at your home because of COVID-19 coronavirus, so no need to do it right now. Goodbye, see you again. Okay dear students, thanks a lot for your active participation. Thank you very much and stay home, be safe. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.